All right, so this is an M113 cylinder head. I'm going to pull the camshaft, hang it up here, and then we're going to use some of this GREZ Off, which I've just discovered is absolutely amazing. You can see right here in the cylinder head that I've cleaned. And we use that, scrub it a bunch, clean it off, and show you the effectiveness. So start with taking off the camshaft. So now I'm going to, as you can see in here, we got some old oil sitting in there. The exhaust manifold's very dirty. A bit of a valve covered leak onto the exhaust manifold. If we turn it right over, you can see the carbon buildup on the heads there, on the valves. A little bit of work here to do cleaning up for the head gasket, but it's not too bad. But where we're going to really see some of the effectiveness is right on the combustion chambers. We just spray this stuff on, wide angle, and let it sit. So I've already scrubbed and cleaned this part of the head right here. I think that would be either cylinder 1 or cylinder 5. And big difference. You can see on the outsides here, it's literally perfectly clean, almost as good as it would be from factory. Just want to zoom in a bit there. So we get the valves are beautifully clean. There's a little bit of residue I haven't gotten. I need to do a few more cycles on that. If we go over to this cylinder head right there, you can just see how easy this stuff comes off. Have it blasted with some brake clean here. Like, wow, that is a lot better than anything else I've been able to use. It just rips the stuff off. Really scrub in there. I use a toothbrush. You can use really anything. Obviously not metal. Don't want to damage the aluminum. But this saves a lot of time. Very good product. And with like 30 seconds of scrubbing, it's almost perfectly clean. Hard to beat that.